Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Prosenjit Sarkar. I am the assistant professor in Tulsiram Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology, and today I am going to teach you the logic simplification. This is unit number 1, the course outcome, logic gate and application. To understand the digital electronics, we must know basic logic gate and application. The logic gates as follow: NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate, exclusive OR gate, exclusive NOR gate. NOT gate is the first gate in all subjects. NOT gate accept one input signal, either 0 or on, and return the opposite signal as output. The Boolean expression as X as the output and A complement as the input. Whatever input is given, it's complemented and given to the output. The logic diagram as shown below: A as the input, X as the output. The truth table: A as the input, X as the output. When input is 0, output is 1. When input is 1, output is 0. This is a real life application of street light. Here is the inverter. The input is 2, either logic 0 or logic 1. When sunlight fall on the LDR, LDR means light dependent resistance. When sunlight fall on the LDR, the resistance of the LDR decreases and logic 1 as the input goes to the inverter and it off the street light, means logic 1 is converted into the output as a logic 0 and it off the street light. When sunlight is not present or the illumination is low, then LDR resistance is very high. The input present as a logic 0 directly and is converted into the output as a logic 1, then street light is 1. AND gate. An AND gate accept two input signal. If both are 1, the output is 1, otherwise the output is 0. Boolean expression as X as an input, A into B as an input. Logic diagram symbol as AB as an input, X as an output. Truth table as like that: when AB as input, X as a output. When both input 0 0, output is 0. When both input 0 1, output is a 0. When both input 1 0, output as a 0. When both input 1 1, output as a 1. We can see the real life application. The bike self start key lock. Like we know that we have key to on the or bike. Also we need self start button to cranking the engine. When key is off and we press self start, the motor is not start and engine will not crank. When key is on but self start is off, still starting motor is not working. When both are input 1 1, means key is on and output is self start switch is on, then motor will start as logic output 1 and motor will crank the engine and start your two-wheeler. This OR gate. An OR gate accept two input signal. If both are 0, the output is 0, otherwise the output is 1. The Boolean expression as X is equal to A plus B. Logic diagram symbol: A, B as input and X as a output. The truth table as follow: A, B as input, X as a output. When both input 0, 0, output is 0. When both input 0, 1, output is 1. When both input 1, 0, output is 1. When both input 1, 1, output is 1. So it is confirmed that when any one input is 1, the output will get automatically 1. And its real life application as follow: we saw in our car always showing the car door is open. So that means all car door have one reed switch, that's known as a magnetic reed switch. When door is on or open, the reed switch is logic 1, and or console panel showing the car door is open. So as shown in the diagram, when any one door is open, that means logic is 1, and same output is logic 1 as the door open indication on panel. That is a exclusive OR gate. When XOR gate accept two input signal, if both are the same, the output is 0, otherwise the output is 1. Boolean expression X A XOR B, that's mean A B bar plus A bar B. Simplification of the Boolean expression. This is a logic diagram. A, B as input and X as a output of the logic diagram. The truth table as follows: A, B as input and X as a output. When both input 0, 0, output is 0. When both input 0, 1, output is 1. When both input 1, 0, output is 1. When both input 1, 1, output is 0. Is confirmed that when both input are same, output is 0. When both inputs are different, the output is 1. This is the real application of XOR gate. In our home, outdoor light is operated by two switches irrespective of the position. When room inside switch and outdoor switch is connected to XOR gate and output is connected to the bulb. When room inside switch both and outdoor switch both are 0, 0, the output is 0, is confirmed light is off. When any one switch is 1, the output is goes to the high as a logic 1 and bulb is 1. So is confirmed when room inside switch is logic 1 and outdoor switch logic 0, then output is 1 and bulb is on. When room inside switch logic 0, outdoor switch logic 1, the output is again 1 and bulb is on. When both switch either 0, 0 or 1, 1, the output is 0, the bulb is off. The same method we can use to operate a single bulb by different switch in different locations. This is the exclusive NOR gate. And XOR gate accept two input signal. If both are the same, the output is 1, otherwise the output is 0. The mathematical option is that XOR gate complement is the XNOR gate. The symbolic diagram is A, B as the input, XNOR and Q is the output. A, B and truth table as follow: A, B as the input and Q is the output. When both input are same 0, 0, output is 1. When both inputs are different, either 0, 1 or 1, 0, output is 0. When both inputs are 1 1, output is 1. So it's confirmed that when both are input same, the output is 1, logic high. When both inputs are different, output is logic 0, that's a logic low. So we can use this circuit as a password detection in the banking system, or we can use same logic also the operating outdoor light with different configuration. Thank you.